So Alex, what is our next item here?
All right, so now we have the Oster hand mixer. We have experience with Oster before. Please check out that video right there in which we did that gigantic pizza oven, the XL, the Oster XL.
I still use it, by the way, and I love that machine.
Yeah, it's great. I think it's you know, big families, you should use it. This pretty baby, it is a hand mixer for people who are looking to bake cakes and, you know, make frosting and all of that is great. But this one has one specific feature that was very interesting. It says uses gentle heat to bring cold ingredients to room temperature.
That is great, because when you're trying to, I think what my sister does cakes, but when she's trying to do the, I don't even know how you call supiro. How you call supiro in English? The frosting. When you gotta do the frosting, it has to be some sort of temperature, and then when you do the egg yolks, the egg whites, it has to be at a certain temperature, and I think this will be great for that.
When you're baking, all of the items, I think all of the items need to be at room temperature, especially butter. And sometimes you don't have the time to put things together before you start baking. This is, I guess, a good way that you can soften them and bring them up to room temperature, so that way you don't have to wait hours before you start baking. This also has 270 watt motor. That's huge.
That's powerful. So it says it also comes in with a 7-speed control, which gives you a variety from 1 to blah blah blah.
You ready?
Let's see it.
Two,
Let's see
three.
it.
Oh, here it is. It looks like a hair dryer. Look. And it looks like a head dryer.
It also comes with its own little mixing bucket.
Mixing bucket, yeah, it does.
Wait, hold on. What does this have also?
Wait, there's another thing inside. There's a couple of other little gadgets here. So it comes with this. And let's talk about this. You know this is one of our pet peeves.
The cord.
Look at this. It is pretty long. This is probably about 4.5 feet.
Yeah, it passes.
That is very, very good. So let's take it out of here. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. I love it. The one thing I love about this hand mixer is this. Watch. You use it, you're ready to do something else. Set
very
it down.
nice. It looks like a hair dryer.
That's what I said. It looks like one of those hair drying products.
So the pieces here, let's see what else is having here. So it comes with a pretty interesting extra bucket. I've never seen any of these that come with additional.
Yeah, I know. I have not. And inside it comes with not one, not two, but 3 different mixers. So you have your regular egg beater, I guess you can say. You have, this one is normally for dough. This is the one you will use for dough, a dough mixer. And then this one, I guess, is for cakes too. So this is the one you will use to make the frosting. This is the one you normally use to make dough. And then this is the one you use for mixing batter.
Mixing.
Yeah. I'm a baker, you know.
I'm a baker.
And you didn't know what these were for.
Well, I was confused because this is your package. I'm letting you explain it. I can't take this shine.
This is our package. Oh yeah, it is. Hello. Anyhow, one of the things I also wanted to mention is if you're liking this video and you're enjoying them very much, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also check out our Amazon link down below, which leads to our Amazon store. It doesn't cost you anything to support this channel, but if you check out those items there, you buy from the store, hey, you give us a little something.
And let us know if you've used any of the products that we've used so far here. It'll be interesting to figure out if you guys like them or not. We will do a future video, a review on them, and we're gonna test them out, but at this point, we're just gonna unbox them.
So right here, it does come with different speeds, I guess, that you can use it. It also comes with a boost that gives it a little oomph. And this one right here looks gold. I don't know if you see the color. That's the one that you use to kind of warm it up. What I'm guessing is that it might throw like a little bit of hot air from here.
Yeah.
And that's how it warms them up.
But what is that final button?
The eject button. So when you have these things
here. Oh, the eject button.
Ejects them.
Got it. All right, we even have an eject button.
Let's check out this bucket. This is pretty cool because, as you mentioned before, not a lot of these mixers come with, you know,
I think it's the other way around.
No, I don't think so. This is the way that it's gonna hold it. So if you need to like store it for storage, that's the way that it does it.
It clips in there and it comes.
Yeah,
also, this is
storage.
basically for storage.
Yeah. So.
But what did you batter in here?
Yeah, you could use the batter. Once you're done, it pours it out. But
So
go ahead.
you can actually put all this stuff and store it in there.
I think including the cable, my man. You put the cable down here.
True, because you have this little lip over here. The cable goes down through there. Also, this is the storage mechanism.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how it's gonna work. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, we can push it a little bit down. We're not gonna get.
No, it's up to there because it has the little hooks there.
Yeah.
The cable goes here, and then the cable goes in there, and now this goes in here.
All right, and there you go. Nice storage from the Oster warmer. This is like the HeatSoft hand mixer. This is pretty cool. We're gonna bring you a review on how to use this product and, you know, what we think about it. TeamKLoWhat
Reviews.